doggy. Listen, if you are on the fence about getting started in real estate investing, I'm gonna change that for you. But I need you to start with this strategy, okay? And that's wholesaling real estate. On this video, I'm gonna share with you 3 reasons why every single person should be doing this strategy. Number 1, it's little money to get started. When you're getting started in real estate investing, it doesn't take $50, $100, $200,000 to get started like many people think. You can actually start this strategy with very little to no money. Number 2, it creates fast active income. I'll share with you a fun fact. My very first year when I got started in real estate, going from truck driver to full-time real estate investor, I made a little over $340,000 my first year. So it really creates fast active income for you to change your life. And then number 3, it teaches you the game. You don't want to start buying rentals and doing flips and doing all this other stuff until you know how to analyze deals, negotiate, write the contracts, understand market swings, right? Wholesaling real estate teaches you all of that. So when you're getting started, make sure you start with this strategy.